Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox. We happen to be in our live training room. I have Orlando with me. Say hey, Orlando.
Hey everyone, this is Orlando.
Now, we are on my platform here at HarveySilverFox.com. Make money online training and bonuses. I'm going to take you on a tour. This is going to be a video tour. In fact, the video that's behind this image here, I'm going to replace it with this video. Just keep in mind my videos typically go out of date at least once a week, okay? Because I keep updating this platform. I keep adding new tools, new training videos, new bonuses. So if you're watching this video maybe a couple months from now or a month from now on the internet, chances are it's going to be out of date. Now, if you are watching it on the internet, of course, you can go to HarveySilverFox.com or scroll down into the description of this video. There's a link in there that will bring you to this platform here. So with that out of the way, let's continue. For those who are beginners and newbies, this is for you. If you're just starting out, not sure how to make money online with little to invest and no marketing experience, start here. It will cost you nothing to get involved and have me build out a free marketing platform for whatever money-making opportunity you happen to be working. And if you do not have a money-making opportunity, not a problem. Work your way down here to pick up your 2,000 free leads. In fact, let's open this up. Right here, you're going to pick up the 2,000 free leads. And right here, I talk about the lead swap, how you can get involved with the lead swap where every week, what you're going to do is you're going to take your leads from this marketing platform here on a Friday, and you're going to upload them into the lead swap. And then Monday, you're going to receive your leads. Now, in this case here, I think I uploaded about 1,000 leads, and I got back 306,000 leads that Monday. So make sure you do spend some time going through this, request your 2,000 leads, and watch these training videos right here. Video marketing domination. Find video production, ranking tools, software training, and money-making ideas here. In fact, behind this door, I'm going to use the tools. And there's a training back there, a video training, that'll show you how I'm going to rank this video. This is something brand new, Bitcoin profits. Find Bitcoin currency, tools, training, profit ideas here. Let's take a quick look right here. This is a free report. Top 3 cryptos to buy. Simply click here and click here to request your free report right here on Bitcoin and on cryptocurrencies and the top 3 cryptocurrencies they suggest to get involved with. Right here, this is Orlando's expertise. Sizzle Call Viral Marketing System. Request your free Sizzle Call Viral Marketing System here. Can you talk a little bit about it, Orlando?
Absolutely. Sizzle Call Viral Marketing System is a platform that we will allow you to have a Sizzle Call number, which we connect your best biz offer, any program that you have that you can market.
Okay, so all you got to do is click here and follow the instructions to request your free Sizzle Call marketing system for your best biz offer. Moving over here, make money with GoPro. This is something brand new. And of course with YouTube. So let's click through here. And you're going to see some videos that I produced here. But more importantly, I'm going to have a training teaching you how to make money with your GoPro, or you can go out there and buy a GoPro, and I'm going to show you how to monetize it. So with that subject, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to kind of give you an idea how I monetize mine. In the description of my videos for GoPro, I put a tip link in there, and they can click on it if they want to give me a tip. If they like the video that I produced, the training video or whatever I produced with GoPro, they can click through to this bridge page here that says, if you like my GoPro video and want me to produce more, leave me a tip. Now they can leave $1 or $5 or $20 or $100 or $1,000. It doesn't make any difference to me. Okay. And better yet, what I'm going to do for you when you get yourself situated with your GoPro, if you want to learn how to set up your own make money online GoPro video money machine like I have here, I will teach you how to do it and how to program it and what to do with your GoPro and how to put your tip jar in the description of your video. Okay, let's pause the video and go back. Okay, we're back, working our way down here. The Viral Video Downline Builder Marketing System. It's a free viral video downline builder marketing system for your best biz offer. Just click through here, request it, doesn't cost you anything. Now over here happens to be the 6-figure email profits, a detailed email training course on how you can make a 6-figure income with email marketing. If you click through, you're going to see the course. I have 6, 9, 10 modules, all with training videos in here. Probably the most important training video happens to be on the number 3 module right here. Why 98% of online marketers fail are you one? Well, I guess what you're gonna have to do is click through and work your way over to this module here. Make sure you go through the overview first, okay? Make sure you work your way through to this module here. Watch the video to find out if you are one. 98% are losers out there. They fail. And you're going to find out real soon if you are one. Okay. This is ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. This is training back here. So simply click through here to go through the training. Now, Orlando and I did this one yesterday, blog marketing, find blogging software tools, tips and tricks and training here. And this is how it looks. Orlando, I set it up. And then down here, yeah, there's the video. So you're going to click here to check out my blog I built on BlogSpot. I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to let you find out for yourself what it looks like right here. Let's work our way back. Now, can I build a free webinar for your best biz offer? Well, click here to find out how to request that free webinar. Got leads? Right in here, I keep adding different unique tools. In fact, there's Aweber right here. Different unique tools and ways to generate leads on autopilot. So this one here is a viral lead generation. It's called list eruptions. So check that out. Those are automatically generated leads going into your Aweber GetResponse or whatever autoresponder platform that you have. Here's a buyer acceleration method. It's just a simple PDF that you can download for free here. Twitter marketing. I just built this platform today. Find Twitter marketing tools, training, profits, and ideas here. And of course, everybody wants to work smarter, not harder. So this one talks about how to put your Twitter on autopilot using an auto tweet, a blog, actually auto tweet tool that goes out there and does auto tweets for you. So check that one out by clicking through here. Let's work our way back. And of course, here's some more Autobot marketing tools, work smarter, not harder. I'll let you check that out and see these tools. And I use these tools all the time. I just program them, put it on autopilot, and they generate leads. They generate sales for me. And that's what you need to start doing, is working smarter, not harder. Now, Orlando, is anything that I'm missing here?
Not at all.
Not at all. I think I got the bases covered. Okay, so we're going to wrap this tour video up. You're going to find it right here. When you find your way into HarveySilverFox.com, make sure you do watch the tour video a couple times to better understand what's behind these doors. Oh, by the way, right here, live training room. Okay, that's where we're at right now. We're in the live.
Absolutely.
Okay, with that said, Orlando and I will be waiting for you in our live training room.
Look forward to seeing you.